Hey guys, it's Nick, and today another wild rendering episode. So it's been quite a while since we talked, like just sit here and talked. Today I would like to share my new year, my goals or strategies or something, and I will talk about where the fuck are all the tutorials that I promised. So let's just talk about news, what I would like to try on this channel, and please, if you have any suggestions, just leave a comment here. I really appreciate. I want to really thank every one of you separately. Just say thank you, because it really is a heartwarming, when you just show me or DM me or comment me saying hey man, this and this was helpful, I learned new things and all that stuff. So really thank you. Alright, now let's talk about tutorials and that stuff. So where are all the tutorials? Weekly tutorials, I said. Anyways, guys, I think I'm preparing something much more interesting. I am actually doing and recording and in progress of creating my own Vellum course, Houdini Vellum course. There are a few tutorials, really great tutorials by Intagma or Rohan Dalvi, but what I would like to cover in my course is how you could art direct your simulations, or basically any stuff related to Vellum, because I would like to cover one let's say topic in a 5 to 10 different lessons in one course. I would not like to do pyro sims, Vellum, I don't know, flip fluids and all that in just one big course. I don't think that's sufficient. But also I would like to focus not only on technical Houdini stuff, but also on how we could art direct our simulations and get really good looking portfolio ready, or showreel ready, or even Instagram viral type of animations and renders. So that definitely will be cool. I mean, I'm pushing hard to record everything, and also the project files that will be available with this course will be all the textures. I mean, we will be creating some of textures in Octane, using procedural stuff like noise and gradients and all that stuff. And there will be all the project files. I mean, Houdini project files, Cinema 4D files, texture files, everything. So if you want, just check out how I built this or that. Obviously I will be covering this step by step in the course, but there will be all of these files, because to be honest, I found many great tutorials, but those are just pure technical description of how to achieve this or that. But and I think that scares a lot of motion designers of using Houdini, because they are thinking alright, this Houdini magic, I don't know, some stuff is just purely for just creating, or maybe VFX, and then you have 10 steps of how you should compose it into your footage, or some crazy sims. But it's not true. I mean, Houdini is definitely my favorite software to date. So stay tuned. I'm halfway through designing these these like each lesson, and I will need to render them out. I will need to record them. So yeah, it will be some time, but hopefully. Alright, yeah. So second update, or I don't know. Actually, this one I would like to receive your feedback. So I started to start my day checking out various CG news, because I'll be honest with you, I'm using much in many projects. I'm using render farms, so I don't need this extreme GPU stuff. I'm still working on my laptop. It's crazy loud, but it's okay. And if I need production render, I just ship it to the render farm. So I'm really looking forward to buying Mac. I'm looking forward for this new M1X Mac. I think it will be pretty cool, because I was an iOS developer for 5 years, and I worked on Mac, and now on Windows. To be honest, every day there's just something that really bothers me, a little lag or glitch or bug, or I don't know, Bluetooth disconnection, something, and with Mac it just works. And yeah, so I'm really looking or checking Octane X, the Octane for Mac, and I started to realize that every day or every week there are some major news or major events happening in CG world. So yeah, I would like to ask you if it would be interesting for you to check some weekly CG news or CG digest, what happened in the previous week, because yeah, I think it would be pretty cool. So yeah, let me know in the comments, please. So thing number 3 is basically, yeah, there will be less tutorials for some time, as I will be working on this course, because I really think it's better for beginners to grab this course and just learn everything about Vellum, or the base things about Vellum and how to art direct it. Because for now it's more on my YouTube channel at least, it's just, oh, alright, there's a flip sim, particle sim, maybe pyro sim, and so you're grabbing the tiny bits of everything. So yeah, if there will be obviously more these wild rendering type of, I don't know, podcasts, or called as you want. But yeah, if there are any topics maybe about the freelancing, because in 2021 I finally managed to do this stable income, and yeah, it's been hard times, but yeah, now it's pretty good. So yeah, if there are any topics you would like me to cover aside of tutorials, yeah, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, it was nice to talk to you. See you next time. Bye.